Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to check out Fetch.ai FET price prediction for March 2021. And currently FET is at 60 cents. Okay. And I remember back in 2020, I think I bought like somewhere between here FET, and then I sold it here. And then I bought some back here, and basically I think I sold somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, so currently I don't hold any Fetch.ai just because I think that the project is magnificent. If you just go to their website, I think that I'm going to get a position at some point, but first I have to learn more about artificial intelligence. Okay. Because currently Fetch.ai is not in my circle of competence. Okay, so think about, there like dudes who have been learning about artificial intelligence and learning, like reading all the books, best books out there about that, and watching YouTube videos, and just non-stop learning about um artificial intelligence and blockchains. So they have a really good understanding at like the project, like the good like the bad and good. Okay. And I'm not currently it's not in my circle of competence, but I still wanted to make this video because I think that like the partnership with Bosch, it's absolutely huge. It's absolutely huge because like every household in Finland, for example, like like everybody knows Bosch. Everybody has something that is made by Bosch. Okay, here. So and I love it. So let's jump right into it. So this is their website, Fetch.ai, and Fetch.ai is building an open access tokenized decentralized machine learning network to enable smart infrastructure built around a decentralized digital economy. Like these projects are massive. Like these are massive projects, just absolutely massive. Okay, so I think that, for example, if this project is going to be the project, I will look it in more into Fetch.ai. But this price prediction in general is going to be short term, like March 2021. Okay, but like this is what I learned from Peter Lynch, for example. If you don't know that guy, Google him. And anyway, he talked about like everybody is when it comes to stocks or cryptocurrencies, everybody is in such a rush to invest. Like everybody's chasing pumps. Everybody's like want to make money fast. Okay, and making money fast is never I have never had like it's I think that it's not a good thing to make a lot of money fast. Okay. There are several reasons that I have talked about in my videos before, but I'm not going to go more in depth here, but because that would take so much time. But so everybody rushes to invest. Or okay, so for example, let's say that this is now Fetch.ai. Everybody some people invested here, which is amazing. Some people spotted this project because the risk reward in the bear market, it was just crazy. People like done the research and invested in it like heavily. I mean, I invested some, but not like heavily invested in it. But now it's as it's pumping. There's no people are just now buying it, all-time high levels, because it's pumping and it's sexy and it's all that stuff. But even though it could be like if Fed would never see 60 cents again, I wouldn't buy the project if I didn't like know like a lot about, not about the project. Like of course you want to know a lot about the project, but you want to know more about the industry. Okay, the artificial intelligence industry, what are the pain points there, what are like what problems it is solving, like in general, like that, and in general what's what's the implementation in the future. Because when I invest in cryptocurrencies, I don't invest in of course I have some like bags that I'm just buying and then dumping those bags to increase my holdings. Of course I have that trading side that I also do, but my long-term holds are like really long-term, like 10-year holds. Okay, and on these projects I have done a lot of research, and well, let's say 5 to 10 years, because it's really hard to like 10 years, but 5 to 10 years. Okay, so it doesn't matter if I buy it here or here or here, because if I believe that it in 10 years it will go up, okay, all that matters is the percentile gains. So you could buy here or here or here, because if you believe that it will reach go to the higher levels, it's always percentile gains. Okay, and if you don't know what you're buying, then you don't know what you're selling, and if you don't know when to buy, you don't know when to sell. Okay, so really what I've learned in these cryptocurrency markets, even though these projects look so good, this the project is just so amazing, I'm still not in rush to buy it, because if it's that amazing, the project will be here 2 years after. If the project is that amazing, it will stand the test of time, because in 2017 a lot of projects went to like just basically didn't make it, but FET is not like a completely new project. It's 2019. For example, Engine also. So it was Engine was also 2019. So currently, I think that's the trend for these 2019 coins to pop up like this. But the partnership's also very good and all that stuff. But anyway, that's just my point of view here is, and I do these videos. I share my opinion about these coins. A lot of people. Well, some of people said I create these videos because, like, why I create these videos, because I don't know everything about the Fetch coin. Okay, I don't know everything about this stuff. I create these videos because I want to document my journey, and also I don't quite remember what the study, I read some kind of study, but if you know 60% of the subject, then you should just go, because if you know like 70 to 80, that doesn't bring bang to your buck, and you're just wasting your time, because you could have started here. And yeah, that was the study. So I know 60% about the project. I know a lot about it, but I don't know everything. I don't know every single thing. I haven't checked out their code. I haven't, like, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm making these videos, because I want to, and it's my channel, and I think that some people can find some value from this video, because it's all I think that the cryptocurrency, like, there's so many people here that have not listened to a lot of smart people in investing space. I know that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger says that Bitcoin is dead and rat poison and cryptocurrency is bad. Well, of course they say that. Of course they say that, because that's their brand. They are old school. The brand is old school. So of course they are not going to say it, but that doesn't mean that the information that they have thought for years is not valid, because they are like world's richest persons. Okay, so okay, so I hope that how to, understand what I'm saying here, is that I try to bring these ideas into your head, and I'm not, because when I create a price prediction video, how the hell suppose I know where the price is going? But if I use my logic that I have learned from very successful people, and I look these coins at the like long term and short term and mid term, I think that it has some kind of value, in a sense that even if it sparks one idea in your head, then I think that I have served my purpose. I'm not here to come here as like a god and tell you, okay, this cryptocurrency is going to go this and this. No, I'm here to spark ideas, to get your brains like going on, to get you into the flow state, so you can start doing your own research about this coin. You're like, maybe I should learn more about, even though I've invested in Fetch.ai, maybe I should just learn more about artificial intelligence. Maybe I should go to Wikipedia and read more about it, read about the pain points, read about like what's the problem with the industry, why it's not going as like fast as people think, like what's holding it back, like these type of questions. And I think that that will help you tremendously to spot the right projects. And also what I would like a lot of people to understand, that there is no rush. There's like, if the cryptocurrency is as good as you think, like so amazing, the best project, it should be here in 10 years it still should be here. Okay, so what is the rush here? Because if you, like I showed you, if you buy it and you really believe that it's going to go up, what's the matter? Like, it doesn't matter what price you buy in, it matters the percentile gains are everything that matters here. Okay, and a lot of people don't understand that. And of course, I'm not saying that I know everything, and I, that kind of stuff, but I think that what I've learned from very smart people, that is what a lot of people are missing here. Of course, there's millions of companies. Like, if you think about it, there's Fetch.ai. If you think about it in the business sense, what's their cash flow, like all that kind of stuff. So you really have to think about it in many different ways. And also look at the like current situation of the world, where people are going, where the customers are going. There's many different elements. So what, like, I don't, when I do these videos, people just dislike, because I'm not here to tell the price, like exact price that it's going to be. How would end, like, nobody knows. Okay, but I still love to do these videos because I think it's fun. Like, I'm having so much fun creating these videos. And yeah, for example, the rant is now here. The rant is that's that. And let's just jump in the price prediction. I just get so carried away when I start talking. But anyway, so this is called token metrics. This is a machine learning software that very smart people, very rich people develop. Okay, and they also have, not only that, it's not only just machine learning. And by the way, guys, I'm not expert at machine learning, but I still find this tool very helpful and very fun also. Okay, so the founders of this tool also have a huge team that does in-depth analysis on these coins. So they go look at the white paper, they look at the code, they look at the website, look at the team, look at the market standing, liquidity, all this stuff. Okay, and you have it like in this one simple UI. Okay, so you can just come here, type any coin, like literally any coin, and boom, that's it. Okay, like you see. But let's get back into FET here. Okay, so that being said, here's the price prediction that the machine learning suggests. Okay, this is the price prediction, and it currently thinks that Fetch.ai is overpriced. Like you can see, it has gone parabolic here, and a lot of, I've seen this on many coins now. A lot of coins go very parabolic. Okay, look at for example, look at Engine, and nothing has literally changed in the, like, there's like its project is still the same as it was, but the narrative and the new, like the hype and the news has like changed. Okay, and I think that some of these cryptocurrency projects, like I said, some of these are not in my area of competence, and I don't want to speak about them like in a way that, oh, I know everything, because I don't know, like even though some people research coins very in depth, it's very, they have, like, people don't understand, you still have, I understand that I don't know a lot. Okay, but I understand that I know something, and I don't know, I understand that something has some kind of value. Okay, but a lot of people just read about this product, they get into the echo chambers, and they think that they know all about the project, and but it's very complicated if you just look at it like a global scale. Like, look at it also, like what countries are going to allow what, like it's very it's very complicated. Okay, but also at the same time, it's very interesting and very easy to like understand that if the project is good, it's very good, and it solves a problem. Okay, and it's easy to use for customers or users or businesses. I think that it's going to get implemented. And also regulatory, you have to think about regulatory regulations are very outdated for this stuff, very outdated. Like if you look at the regulation, it's just crazy, it's so outdated, it's absolutely madness. So currently this whole cryptocurrency space, I think that it's just a massive gamble house. If you really think about it, it's like, if you don't feel that you're gambling, then I don't know what to say. Even though I've researched these projects, I have no idea what is going to happen. Like, no idea. I believe that what we're going to see is going to be Bitcoin is going to boom, 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 and then there's going to be massive pump, like massive pump, and then there's going to be sell off, and after that, it just repeats. I think that's going to be the pattern, and I think that we could be somewhere here. Okay, I'm just waiting for that massive pump. to happen, and I think that it's coming. Of course, I don't know, it's not financial advice, but I think that it's going to happen. So that being said, there's going to be a huge sell-off and huge, I think, bear market is coming also at some point. It has to come, even just a little bear market, even just a little accumulation space. And if the projects are not good enough, I think that they're going to die in that. But I think that Fetchai is a very good place in that sense, because they have real world adoption. The product is working, and I love the website. There's like not, it's not, it like they're doing very good job, very good job. Okay, so in that case, I like Fetch.ai, and like I said, maybe I will have to get a bag, but first I need to learn more about the project, because I don't want to. I think that it could go up in the short term, but I really look coins that like I can just invest and forget, basically. That type of coins. Of course, I want to stay tuned on the coins all the time, but anyway, so here's fundamental scores. They haven't put fundamental summary here yet, and I've seen that in some of these coins, because there's so many coins out there, so they can't do everything all the time. But market standing good, development good, liquidity good, marketing good, reputation good, team good. Security not the best, but it's because 200 and 300 nodes, and proof of stake over 200. Liquidity is good. It's on many exchanges, like I didn't believe it's in KuCoin and Binance, maybe. I don't know if it's yeah, it has to be. It has, yeah, it's on Binance, yeah. And KuCoin also. You can check it out in the description if you want to join those exchanges. I love them. Binance and KuCoin is also good. KuCoin is just, it has the wallet. If you are not familiar with the main wallet and trading wallet, it's very interesting concept, but I think it's good. So here's technology summary, by the way, from Fetch.ai. It's an interesting project as they combine both blockchain technology with artificial intelligence. They are currently building a platform on which a series of software agents represent and act on behalf of their owners to provide a optimized service, which is really ambitious. Like, yeah, version 2 of their mainnet is scheduled for early 2021 with the integration of key components of their solution. We will see if they are able to deliver and how the project looks then. Interesting stuff. Innovation, architecture, code quality, very good, excellent. Mainnet, good. Usability. Here's the usability. These the use for end consumers. Medium, solid, senior, +5 active developers. Let's look at the technical analysis here. Currently it shows bearish, and it uses machine learning for this, and it uses past data points to predict the future. Very interesting stuff. I love to see that. I just like to see, but it doesn't just mean it's going to be bearish, or because it's using past data, it can't see in the future, so it doesn't really like matter to me. But anyway, that's that. And here's interesting data. So cumulative returns versus Bitcoin. So this is Fetch.ai returns, and this is Bitcoin returns. Okay. Excuse me. So the cumulative returns on FET are like massive. Look at this. Just look at this compared to Bitcoin. Almost 2000%, and Bitcoin 473%. So it would have been smart to just hold FET instead of Bitcoin. Very smart. Okay, I think that's awesome. Anyway, currently thinks that it's kind of overpriced here. But anyway, that's going to be the video. So let's jump into the price prediction. It's already 19 minutes. Jesus, the rant is just crazy. Okay, when I start to ranting, it's just I could speak like whole day. Okay, but anyway, so the price prediction is this. So I always do worst case scenario, most probable scenario, and like most like not most like, but high, like just bullish scenario in overall. But the worst case scenario for which Fetch.ai, I think that it's the 20 cents. I think that that's like that's it. The 20 cents is going to be the worst case scenario. And by the way, this is for March. And when most likely, I think that it's going to just steadily be around 50. Like you can see here, 50. cents slash dollar March. And the most bullish scenario is that there is going to be massive run up. Bitcoin or just cryptocurrencies in general just have a massive run up, more new users and all that stuff. I think that Fetch could go. I think that Fetch could go to like engine type of rally. Like if you think the 2019 coins both, and it could go engine type of rally. So that is the price prediction for Fetch, March 2021. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also like this video because that would help me so much. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to start using token metrics, you can find the link in description. It's like a subscriptions software, but there's a trial, so definitely check out the trial. And anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys.